Hi, I'm Donna. Want to know my favorite feature? You can use me without ever logging into DealTrail. Let me show you. Open Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and add a custom connector. Paste this URL, mcp.dealtrail.ai. Hit Connect. Authorize DealTrail when it asks. That's it. Now Claude and I are connected. Your Gmail, your calendar, your deals, your documents, all in one place. Watch. I've got a buyer for 123 Main Street in South Lake Tahoe. Give John Smith a call and get the info for the RPA. Done. I call him, collect the offer price, financing, contingencies, the 1031 exchange, everything. Get the transcript. Done. Buyer name, $650 cash, 3% earnest money, 45-day close. Fill out the RPA in zipForms. Done. Transaction created, fields filled, ready to review. You're not clicking through menus, you're not switching tabs. You just told me to call the buyer, and I came back with a filled out RPA. Claude is your workspace, I'm your back office inside it. Connect us once and you'll never work the old way again.